Hello, my dear students. Now, next question. When a proton is released from the rest in a room, it is start with initial acceleration a naught towards the west. When it is projected towards the north with a speed v naught, it moves with the initial acceleration 3a naught towards the west. Find the electric field and minimum possible magnetic field in the room. Okay. So, here in the question, we are having two different cases. So, in case number one, okay, in case number one, okay, initial velocity is equal to 0. Okay, so if the velocity is equal to 0, there is no magnetic force. This magnetic force is equal to 0. Magnetic force is equal to 0. So you can write this Fm equal to 0. Only the electric force will work. So in question, it is given that the acceleration is towards the west direction. So this is north direction. Okay, this is south direction, and and this is east and west. So initial acceleration is in west direction, and only electric field is acting on this. The force due to electric field will work because magnetic force is equal to 0. So what is this electric force? This electric force, which is equal to E into E, that is electric charge on the proton and electric field, and it is equal to mass into acceleration. So this electric field E can written as mass into acceleration, because this acceleration only due to electric field. Here we are not counting any magnetic field. The force due to the magnetic field, because the particle is initially in rest, divided by E we can write. So that is the electric field, and this direction of electric field towards the west, because acceleration is towards the west and positive charge particle is there. So the force due to the electric field will be in west direction, and the force and the acceleration will have the same direction. So the electric field also will be in west direction. Now in case number 2, in case number 2, when this we are talking about the case number 2. In this case number 2, it is projecting with velocity v naught towards the north. Okay, it is projecting towards the north. Okay, with the initial velocity v naught, with initial velocity v naught. So the electric field already exists, and this due to electric field and the magnetic force, electric force and magnetic force both will work together. Okay, and both will produce the acceleration a is equal to 3a naught in west direction. So the magnetic force also will be in the west direction, because acceleration now increased by 2a naught. So the net force is equal to the electric force, that is q into E, and the magnetic force, that is q into V into B, is equal to net acceleration mass into acceleration, that is 3a naught. Okay, if you are putting value of this QE, that is MA, you will get QVB is equal to 3MA naught minus MA naught, because this Q into E is equal to MA naught. Now this B can written as 2MA naught divided by E into V naught. That is the value of magnetic field. Okay, and if you want to find the direction of magnetic field, then you can use Fleming left hand rule. Okay, that is FBI. Okay, this north direction is the direction of motion of particle. Okay, and this is the direction of force, that is the west. So this is north direction, west direction. So the magnetic force will work vertically downward. So the direction of this magnetic field, sorry, the magnetic field will be in vertically downward direction. The direction of magnetic force in towards the west, and the motion towards the north. So the magnetic force will be vertically downward. Okay, vertically downward. Okay, so that is the answer. Thank you very much.